Thank you for waiting, ladies and gentlemen. We've invited first class. Now we're inviting executive platinum, platinum, emerald, sapphire, and ruby. If those words are written on your boarding card, please come forward for boarding. Also, I'd like to invite group number 1. Please, ladies and gentlemen, have your boarding cards out and available. Group 1 is now boarding. And now I'd like to invite group 2, rows 27 through 32, boarding groups 1 and 2 in first class. First class may use the red lane, or executive platinum, platinum, emerald, sapphire. The main cabin's using the blue lane. And now we'll have group 3, that's rows 22 and higher, to the door here at gate 48 Main.